Watch this. If you struggle with weird electrical issues or no start problems on your Ford F-150, at the end of this video, I'll reveal exactly how much fixing the SSM 48563 issue could cost you at the dealership. So, wondering why your truck's been acting weird? Maybe you've got a no crank, no start issue, random warning lights, or your auto start stop just stopped working. If you drive a 2017 to 2020 F-150, you might be right in the crosshairs of SSM 48563. So what is SSM 48563? It's not a recall. It's not even a full-blown technical service bulletin. It's what Ford calls a service special message. Basically, an internal heads up to dealers about wiring issues that could cause all kinds of headaches. If you've got DTC codes like P061A U0140 U0401 or weird transmission problems, this might be your culprit. Let's break down the transmission wire harness problem. This harness is basically a bundle of wires at the back of your engine, running down to the transmission. It's responsible for carrying signals between your truck's computer and the transmission, telling it when and how to shift, and relaying sensor data. If this harness isn't routed or secured properly, the wires can rub against metal parts, get pinched, or even come loose. Over time, this can cause the insulation to wear away, leading to exposed wires, shorts, or broken connections. Common symptoms include the truck not starting, random warning lights, shifting problems, or the transmission going into limp mode. Some owners have reported their F-150 suddenly refusing to crank, while others notice the transmission acting up, like harsh shifting, getting stuck in one gear, or not responding at all. Now let's talk about what people are actually saying online about SSM 48563. If you check out Ford forums and Reddit, you'll find a ton of owners sharing their experiences, some frustrated, some relieved after finding a fix. One owner described spending weeks chasing down random warning lights and no start issues, only to discover a chafed wire in the harness. Another said their dealer initially had no idea about SSM 48563, but after some back and forth, the tech found a loose connector and got their truck running again. There are also stories of folks who fixed their trucks themselves by rerouting or taping up the harness, while others had to push for warranty repairs. The general vibe, people are glad there's finally an explanation, but a lot of owners wish Ford had been more proactive. Some even call out the lack of a recall as a big frustration. Still, there's a sense of community, with owners helping each other troubleshoot and sharing step-by-step fixes. Bottom line, if your F-150 is acting up, ask your dealer to check out SSM 48563 and have them inspect the transmission wire harness for any signs of damage or loose connections. And don't try poking around wiring unless you know what you're doing. Those systems can be tricky and even dangerous if mishandled. Got questions or want help finding wiring diagrams for your exact model? Drop a comment below. And if this helped you out, like, subscribe, and let me know your Ford story down below. Thanks for watching. Before you go, let's talk about cost. If you're out of warranty, fixing the SSM 48563 issue, meaning inspecting and repairing or replacing the transmission wire harness, can run anywhere from $300 to $800 at most dealerships, depending on labor and parts. Again, that's $300 to $800 for the typical repair if you're paying out of pocket. So keep that in mind if you're budgeting for a fix.